so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa, a helicopter toy. Look at what's behind me. A real helicopter. Will you come ride it with me? Let's go. Look at where I'm at. I'm inside the helicopter. And this is the instrument panel. And look at all the really cool gauges it has on it. But I don't want to teach you that. I want to teach you how to fly the helicopter. Before you fly it, you gotta put on your seatbelt. So let's do that first. Just like in a car. Gotta buckle up. Okay, and now this is the cyclic. This is what controls the helicopter to go left, right, forward, backwards, and then down here, whoop, that is the collective. This makes the helicopter go down or up, down or up. So now you can go, whoa, I'm flying a helicopter. And then down here, you put your feet on pedals, and this is what makes the helicopter spin left and right. Whoa! Whoa! Now it's time for you to see what it's like riding inside a real helicopter. That's Captain Ron I'm with. Whoa! There we go. We have liftoff. Whee! Do you see me? Hey! Okay, now let's go on an adventure and see what we can find while riding inside the helicopter. We saw a blue and white train. Wow, look at it go. And a harvester and a tractor. They're harvesting corn. Wow, the wagon is almost full. Whoa! It was so much fun flying in the helicopter. There I am. Then we went to a marina. Wow, look at all the boats. Ooh, a freeway. This is what it looks like from really high in the sky. Whoa! I was spinning just like how a helicopter spins. Oh, let me teach you the parts of the helicopter. This is the main rotor. That's the thing that spins to provide lift so the helicopter can fly. And then this right here, that's the mast. It holds the main rotor there to the cab. And the cab is where the pilot and the co-pilot fly the helicopter from. And how the helicopter flies, it gets its power from the engine compartment. There's so many things inside there, like the transmission, the fuel, and the exhaust, just to name a few. But then this long thing back there, That's the tail boom, which holds the tail rotor back there, which controls the spinning left and the spinning right. Whoa! There's so many great things on a helicopter. Oh, you can't forget one thing. The landing skids. That's how the helicopter can land on dirt, rocks, concrete, gravel, anything you want. Whoa! I love helicopters. Helicopters have some really funny nicknames. You want to hear some of them? You can call them helos, whirlybirds, copters, and choppers. Whoa! 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 High up in the air! Whoa! Whoa! Helicopters can be used to lift heavy items, and some of those helicopters can lift up to 88,000 pounds. That's about 40,000 kilograms. And to put that into perspective, that's about 4 school buses. Whoa, that's heavy. That was so much fun learning about helicopters with you. Thanks for watching.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!